Hey guys, if you are facing the error Windows cannot access the specified device, path or file, it means some of your Windows setting has been disturbed. To fix this issue, simply click on Windows button, type PowerShell and run it as an administrator. Now copy the command code from the description box and paste it into the PowerShell. And press enter. Command will execute and this will reinstall or register built-in Windows apps to fix issues with missing, broken or malfunctioning Microsoft Store and Universal Windows Platform apps. Once the process is finished, restart your PC and your problem should be resolved. Thanks for watching, stay safe.